I grabbed this scalloped edge henna from Dollar General for a few dollars, and I have my R16 brush and my black Wise Owl paint, and I am covering the original image on this board. Once dry, I used this plaid stencil that I grabbed at Hobby Lobby, and now I have some Wise Owl paint in Wise Owl, Snow Owl, and a foam roller that I grabbed from Lowe's and created this nice plaid image on my board. Once that was dry, I had these eggs that I found at Dollar Tree and took some more Snow Owl and covered them completely. Once they were dry, I glued them to the bottom of my panel. I had this little burlap bow that I glued to the center of my panel. And I found these Dollar Tree little bunny ears. It was a headband for your hair, and I cut the ears off and glued them to the back side of my panel. I had some burlap tape that I found at Walmart, and I cut out a larger circle with my pinking shears, and then with a little button I created smaller circles, and then I just cut them out with a regular scissor. Now this tape does have a sticky side, but just to make sure I did add a little bit more glue to be sure I had great adhesion. I took a few wood beads and put them through my top hanger. Now remember this board that I found at Hobby Lobby for $2.79? And I grabbed these carrots from the Dollar Tree. I believe they came in a set of 4. And I glued them to the top of my panel. And I took my butt bunny and tied him to the panel. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. All paints and products can be found on chalkitupfancy.com. And thank you for watching.